So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Amara Raja Batteries Share. So we know that many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video of Amara Raja Batteries Share. So today we'll discuss what would be the next possible levels, and we know that after the Clarius Holdings had sold its stake, so we know that from that time the stock was also in little correction phase. So starting from the various plants, especially the two plants when they got suspended due to pollution norms, from that time the stock was in little weakness, and this particular bulk deals which happened recently has made the stock to go little bit down, but nothing to panic about that. So we'll discuss all the support regions and what would be the reversal region, so that you can add this particular stock for a long term. So apart from the Clarius Holdings, we know that 3 new institutions have also taken a buying position in Amara Raja Batteries. So all these things we'll try to discuss. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so starting with the bulk deals that happened in Amara Raja Batteries. So you can see the first selling which happened of almost 1 crore shares at 747 rupees level. So when that particular thing happened, we know that a huge gap down opening was seen and the stock has also corrected. So after that, you can see on the same particular session, even the buying was also seen by 3 major top institutions. So first one is Morgan Stanley. So you can see it has bought almost 18 lakh shares at 746 rupees. So you can see all of them have taken at the same price level. After that, Integrated Core Strategies, you can see that has also taken at 746, and the last one is Master Fund. So this also you might be knowing, so it has also taken at 746 rupees level. So this particular selling, whatever the statement that Clarius ARBL has told, is that the company towards lithium ion batteries manufacturing. So they felt that the company is not at all putting any sort of investment in that particular field. So in that particular note, especially the conflicts with the government and Amara Raja Batteries, so because of these reasons, so it felt that it need to go out from this particular situation and it has exited. So that is not a primary issue, but the main focus is that the manufacturing of lithium ion batteries, especially the setup, module design, everything is already being completed by the company in the beginning of the year itself. So they are already planning and working on it. So that is something which is having a very good future, especially in electric vehicle segment. So you need to understand this prospect also before you're investing in any stock, especially in this particular company. So try to hold it, because as much as downfall we are seeing, the more chances of profitability, because any stock which has very good fundamentals, and whenever it is correcting because of any secondary reasons, so that particular downfall will be the gain of profit in long term as well. So we'll discuss the technicals. Let's quickly go to delivery section, and after that we'll go to charts. Okay, so first we are back onto delivery section, and you can see on 28th May we have seen 45.7% deliveries have been taken, and you can see the stock was consolidating. Only you can say only 0.8% positive movement was seen, and stock has closed near the 743 rupees region. So there is one difference that I keep telling in my previous videos also. So there is a difference between Indian institution investors as well as foreign institution investors. So whenever any major player from foreign or any other country, if they are investing, so they hold for a certain period of time. So they don't quickly exit or they book the profit or loss. So they keep a long-term vision and they hold it for a certain span of time. So but when we see Indian institutions or small companies, so they do rigorous trading actually. So they buy, again they sell on the same day, again they buy, again they sell. So these type of activities keep on happening. So our intention is that the positive thing is that the various foreign institutions, especially Morgan Stanley, so when they are investing, so they hold for long term. So that is one positive thing that you need to keep in mind. And deliveries are also constantly, we can see they are increasing, and traded quantity is not that much. That is huge volatility is also not present. So that is very good thing. So quickly let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the next resistances and supports. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Amara Raja Batteries, and you can see the stock has closed near the 743 rupees region. So now coming to the technical charts, and this is the 1 week chart. So clearly you can understand that in complete Okay, the last couple of weeks you can see the stock was in continuous correction because of the various news or various bulk deals that happened recently. So all these factors, okay, if you combine, the stock was in complete downtrend. So now you can see exactly it is present near the 200-day exponential moving average, which is coming out to be near 745. I can say that it has come a little bit down, and you can see closing also has been completed below that. So this is one of the major support, okay, that you need to focus. And after that we have the 700 rupees level. So this is also very crucial level, 700. So after that we don't have any major thing. So after that we have roughly around 600. So those are the ultimate supports that we can find out in Amara Raja batteries. So try to accumulate. So like in every fall, in small quantities you can buy in this company, because we know it is working on lithium ion batteries and future is also there. So don't worry about that. And money flow index has also come down to 22. So that is also in oversold region. And you can see the volume also, a huge spike is present because of the heavy selling. Okay, so that was seen in a last session. So panic selling, basically panic selling is happening. So that is one thing, okay, you need to focus. So don't try to book any sort of loss if you are holding it from high levels. So it will retrace, so don't worry about that. In next 2 to 3 quarters definitely the stock may give the movement. Only thing is that little patience is required. So focus near the 700 and below levels, whatever we are discussing. So those are going to play some crucial levels. Okay, so that was in 1 week time frame. And if you go to 1 day chart, so here also you can see that the smaller moving average is cutting a larger moving average from top side. So that is again a bearish indication. So clearly I told all these things you need to remember. So whenever any small moving average is cutting a larger moving average from bottom, it is called a bullish sign. And same way opposite, if it does, it is a bearish indication. So this is technical wise, so it may not be 100% true. So chances are high. So that is what I'm telling. So after that you can see here the pivot support is coming near 732. So that is the pivot support in daily time frame. So after that, as I told, 700 and after that we have 684. So these are the next interim supports that we can see on charts. So if you're invested or if you're trying to invest, then definitely you need to keep an eye on these particular levels. Okay, so don't do any sort of selling if you're already having. Clearly I mentioned that. So further, if you're having any doubts related to this stock or any other stock, so do mention in the comment section, and also connect with me with an Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.